Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA X30, and today I will show you how you can set up your device, or just go through the setup. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen that you can see right over here. This is the very first page where you get to choose your desired language. So I'm gonna select English right here, and then we can select Let's Go. Next page, you'll have option to insert your SIM card. You can also insert a eSIM if you want to, or just pop in a physical card, or you can skip it if you don't want to pop any card right now in. Next page, it will give you the option to connect to Wi-Fi, and you can also skip this if you want to, so I'll be doing it. And right here, if you try to skip it because I didn't insert a SIM card, it also gives me this pop-up right here, so set up offline because there is no SIM, meaning mobile network connection nor Wi-Fi, so it will give me a notification associated with it. So sign into Google account won't be accessible to me. I won't be able to restore apps and data, and I won't be able to get software updates, along with automatically set up time and date, which time and date I believe is the next thing that will show up. Yep, there we go. So you can see it pops up. I can fix it up if it's incorrect. Now if I was connected to, for instance, Wi-Fi, or had a SIM card, it would be set automatically, and this page would have been completely skipped. Now moving on to the next page, we have some Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can read exactly what these do, and if you don't want them, simply toggle them off. From there, going to the next page, we can set up our fingerprint. Now by setting up our fingerprint, the device will automatically prompt us to also add a PIN, pattern, or password, which I'm just gonna select more. Actually, it gives us no thanks option right here, so if you don't want to set it up, you can just select no thanks, and by selecting I agree, as you can see, it opts into a 4-digit PIN by default. You can select screen lock options to choose something else, for instance like a pattern, and you just use the same pattern twice to set it up. There we go. Now I'm not going to be adding a fingerprint, so I will skip this, do it later. So I'm going to keep the actual screen lock as a pattern, but I'll skip the fingerprint. Let's do face unlock. I'm going to say let's not. It's completely up to you. If you want to, you can add it. I'm going to skip it. Then continue setup. Continue. HMD services. So we have some services. I'm not exactly sure what HMD stands for. But as you can see, there are some subscriptions, so if you want to sign up, you can provide your email. If you don't, you can just select accept selected, which was nothing for me. Then we have my device apps. So my device apps is the app that helps you get the most out of your Nokia for longer, easy to run, diagnostic tool, direct access to an app help chat, access to user comments, and a host of other services. So I have no clue still what that is, to be honest. This description of this app is absolute dog shit, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm gonna skip it. And it looks like that finishes up the setup, so there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.